Want me to do it? Neutral, huh?
Too slippery.
You gotta get a run. It is bumpy and bumpy.
Those things that you drive on snow.
Snowmobiles?
Mhm.
What bump?
Why don't you take off the tires of the dirt bikes and put it on the dirt bike?
Oh yeah. Well, that'd be a lot of work.
Only on the back.
Yeah.
That would be not bumpy.
Is it a little slippery?
Yeah, that's the one you could make it if you were. Oh, I can make it.
Well, let's see ya. What do you think about that?
Can I ride it at home and around the block once?
We'll see.
Since it's too bumpy.
Yeah.
Are you going to car that one time?